Hey guys, today I have an Amana refrigerator. It's got the fridge on top, freezer on the bottom. I believe it's 21 or 22 cubic feet. I'll have all those details in the listing description, but it's in excellent shape and I've got it plugged in. It's been running for a few days now. I always let it run through a few days, all the cycles, make sure everything's cooling like it's supposed to, and it keeps temperature to the freeze test and all that. Had it hooked up, pumped out some ice. It's all good to go. Because of the storms we had in the last couple days, I did unplug it, let it air out, and plugged it back in. It's all back to temperature so I could do my video. I always do a video as if you were standing here yourself checking it out. You get to see that everything on it's working perfect. So I've got my little thermometers in there, little thermostats, whatever. This is just, I missed that little piece of double-sided sticky tape, so I'll peel that off there. You'll see in the pictures it's not there anymore. I didn't notice it till just now. The camera kind of brought it out there, but anyway, so let's go ahead and open this up, show you that the inside's nice and clean, temperature perfect. I kind of played around with the temperatures as well and set this kind of right in between the 2 and 3 to get a perfect about 35 degrees in here. That's how I keep my fridge anyway. And as you can see, everything on the door, the little butter thing up there, all the drawers, everything works. Nothing's cracked or broken or anything like that. So now let's drop down here. You see, you've got tons of space, and we're sitting right at, let me zoom in on that, just below the 0 mark. Same kind of deal. You've got a little knob that you can spin, and I found sitting right here on the 5, or at least 5 looking at me, was about perfect, because when you adjust one, it kind of affects the other, and these fans down here blow the cold air up. So that's how this works. You got your ice maker on off on the ice maker. This pulls out, and then you got this. All of this can be pulled right out for cleaning too, so it's real easy to use. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll go ahead and get some pictures and list this up for sale. If you have any questions at all, feel free to reach out. And I do appreciate you taking the time to watch my video. Thanks. You guys have a great day.